Hello everyone, so here's this app called Charging Animation app. So this is the app which helps you to create super cool animations while you are charging your iPhone. And it says it has exclusive charging animation collection. Our editors and design team carefully pick amazing categories for you. After selecting the charging animation, you can also customize progress icons and charging sounds displayed on the screen while charging. Write new charging animations and sounds every week to keep the content fresh. So here you can just see some of the examples. So yeah, let's just open it up and try to go through it together. And then so you can start your free trial here. So there are options like you can try it now, get full access, 1 week free trial, but let's just try it out to see if they just have like a free version which you can explore. So here you see some of the animations available from some like Netflix shows, some themes around CPU, some like jokes. Like for example, if I select this, okay, then I need to watch an ad, obviously, because I didn't upgrade. So then, for example, this is how it might look like on your iPhone. So then you can just select different fonts, so you can customize it even more. Like that, if you want to have bigger timer, if you have like a progress icon, you can customize it as well. There are all these sounds, if you can add additional sounds here, and then you can just tap set animation. So there you have it. So that's basically the idea how you can do it. Here's a handy guide. So open shortcuts, tap automation at the bottom of the screen, tap create personal automation. If you already have at least one automation, tap to add new one, scroll down to the list and tap charger, make sure it's connected option. Then yeah, so here it should be is connected, then tap add action, and then tap apps, and then you need to choose this app, select next, and then notify, ask before running, turn off notify when run, and then tap down on the top right, and there you have it. So after you completed these steps, when your phone is charging, it will automatically show like the animation you selected in this app. So yeah, maybe it's a bit complicated process, but the Shortcuts app is just like a default app you have on every iPhone. So there you have it. Here you can also create your own charging animations, or either a live wallpaper or like a charging animation, and then there are wallpapers, live or still wallpapers, which you can set up. So that's basically it. So yeah, it's this app doesn't provide you app icons or widgets or some themes, so it's only like these charging animations and wallpapers. So these are two things which are provided by this app. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and that's how it works. Hope that was helpful.